Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V8 engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.